We would like to buy broccoli. How much is it? It's 30 baht. Yeah, 80 baht. Here is 30 baht for your tip. Thank you. You're welcome. Let's buddy. Good morning, Houseman. What would you like? We would like to buy carrots. How much is it? It's 30 baht. Here is 50 baht. Here is 50 baht. Here is 20 baht for your cake. You're welcome.